say you have to break to let the light in. I'm wide open now. Staring at the ceiling while the walls start to breathe. Asking all the ghosts why they never really leave. The guitar is weeping, I can hear it in the strings. Heartbreak is a winter, but I'm waiting for the springs. I'm in the deep drip, autotuned bleeding my pain, trying to find a dry spot inside of all this rain. Everything is muffled like I'm drowning in a dream. I'm stitching up the pieces at the center of the scene. I'm healing in the dark. Can you feel the pulse? I'm shedding every layer, I'm becoming something else. It's a massive room, but I'm standing here alone, building up a kingdom from these shattered bits of stone. It's heavy, it's stormy, it's beautiful and cold. Finally letting go of all the stories that I told. 2026 and I'm still learning how to feel. The scars are high fidelity, the trauma's looking real. But there's a light inside the haze, I can see it if I squint. Every time I fall, it's just a developmental hint. My powerful piano chords, they're hitting like a bruise, but I'm gaining something deeper every time I think I lose. So ice all light, I kept the name to remind me where I've been. No, I'm opening the doors and letting all the healing in. It hurts until it doesn't.